Good morning and welcome everyone to another tutorial where we'll be learning how to get to Northrend as an alliance and as a horde, because I will show you for both faction. I will start first for the alliance people, then we'll head to our dead knight with which is an undead and it's in the horde faction, and after that I can show you also how to get to Northrend as a horde. And if you're asking what are we playing right now, we are playing WoW Classic, Wrath of the Lich King, one of the best expansion that ever were outside there to the public. This is WoW Classic, and in my opinion the best game that they released. It's the only WoW game I'm playing, and as a matter of fact a lot of people are starting to play this game because I saw a lot of beginners here in this game and they want just to learn the basic things, like most new players don't know how to get the mount for humans. As an example, is my most viewed video on this channel, how to get the mount for humans in World of Warcraft. And I know I didn't expect that, but I saw comments like people who were grateful for me making videos like that, in which are not that complicated, tutorials are not high tier level. However, to get a boat as an alliance in Stormwind to get to Northrend, this is the location, is the fourth port. At the first one you will get the boat to Dark Shore, which is right here, and at the second one nothing arrives, and the third one the same, no boat will arrive here, and at the fourth one you must be in order to catch this boat to Northrend. That being said, I will get to you once this boat arrives, and that must be the one. Yes, by looking this is the one, because the one that ends up in Dark Shore looks like that one. All these people wants to get to Northrend, and I'm wondering what this rogue wants to do in Northrend. He's level 8. Oh man, if I didn't cover this topic, you will have to get to Northrend when you are level 68, because mobs in Northrend are usually a minimum level of 68, and if you are lower than 68 you have nothing to do in Northrend. I want to buff this lady. She's level 72, but my arcane is much more powerful than her is. Anyway, I will find a seat on this boat and I will start again the recording once we arrive in Northrend. Yes, we arrived. This is the starting zone in World of Warcraft in Northrend. It's called Borean Tundra. Here is the main city of Hordes, in which we'll arrive with our Horde character, and here is the main city of Alliance, in which Alliance will start doing quests. Or as a Horde you'll also have this, I think is located right here, is again a city for starting, and you can get there by taking a zeppelin right here, which is located in front of Undercity. That zeppelin will take you straight to Borean Tundra. Let's get to our Horde character, and I will show you also how to get to Borean Tundra in Northrend as a Horde now. And I just log into my dead knight, which is also level 80. I think I will show you how to get to Northrend in Borean Tundra, and very quickly how to get from Undercity to the Howling Fjord. And I think that's the zeppelin that should take us. This is Ogrimmar. I will show you on the map really quickly, but I want to head first into the zeppelin because that's the one we'll have to catch that will get us to Northrend, and if that leaves I will have to wait for another one. Come on horse, we are located in Kalimdor, in Durotar, and right here you can locate Ogrimmar, but you'll find the zeppelin right here in the left side of Ogrimmar as you are looking at it. I think I will pause the video and start it again when we'll arrive in Northrend. And nice. And as I told you, we'll arrive here at the Warsong Hold as we are a horde, when with our alliance character we were right here. How you are looking at the Ogrimmar, in the right side you will locate another important tower. I'm feeling like I'm using the public transport with all these zeppelins roaming around here in Durotar. We'll have to wait for the second one, which will arrive at the second dock, and as you can see that's the flag of the undead. Here you will have to wait for the zeppelin that will take you to Series 4 Glades to Undercity. As a matter of fact, you can subscribe to my channel because I post tons of full classic guides. So let's jump here. As I told you, we are just arrived here and just walk forward, and this is the zeppelin I think, which will take you to Howling Fjord. The zeppelin should have departed from Undercity. No, it means that this is not the one. Let's see, will I die if I jump from here? I hope not. No, I didn't. And I think the other one is the left tower, there is a zeppelin up there. I'm wondering if I can catch that and find really quick when where that one arrives. Can I ask someone? I can ask this guy. Howling Fjord. Yes, this is the zeppelin. So the one that will take you to the Howling Fjord is the one from the left, and that's a level 70 blood elf, which I think is going to her leveling zone. So that's a good sign. This must be the zeppelin to Howling Fjord. Okay, today I really think I took every possible zeppelin which you can find in World of Warcraft. Oh man. Let's have a look on the map and see where we are. We are located in Northrend, but this time on the east coast of Northrend, at the starting zone on the other coast. That being said, that was the tutorial how to get to Northrend as an alliance and as a horde. So smash the like button and leave any comments if you have any questions down in the comment section, and I may get back to you as soon as possible. Please have a wonderful day out there.